Guys, this is Brad Burnett with Data Ideology. I'm a principal architect here. I've been working in data, cloud, and AI spaces for about 19 years now. The last 5 I've spent pretty heavily in Snowflake, and just wanted to go over kind of a common hang up that people might run into that's not very performant when it comes to using window functions. So have you ever needed the latest record per customer? Well, if you're writing a subquery to do that, like just to filter on row number, there's a cleaner way to do that. So here at first, I'll show you that this is the standard way we've done things in the past, using row number over partition by, order by, and putting all of that in a column itself, and then wrapping that in a CTE, and then selecting from that CTE. This is not performant at all in Snowflake, and there's actually a better option, which involves putting the qualify of row number after the table, and not using it as a column, and then we can say where that equals 1 here, limit our results to 10 just like we did above, and this one will actually be able to perform much better, and I'll show you that in just a second. And I think another hang up here, this data set in particular, order date and order key, they're non-deterministic. There's multiple rows that have the same order date, order key, and so we always want to make sure that we use a deterministic set of order bys, right, so that they're unique per column, especially with row number, where it will get pretty hairy, because row number, when it has ties, it acts in arbitrary ways or non-deterministic ways, so you're not going to get consistent results. Really, what you'd want to do anyway is probably use rank instead of row number if you want to take care of that tiebreaker. But better, I guess, would be to just use deterministic order by. So anyways, let me show you the results from these queries. I've already pulled them aside over here. In the first one that we ran, you'll see that there's a big table scan, 37.9. Window function is about half of the time or expense that it was working on. You can see how many bytes it scanned down here, how long it ran, 2 seconds. So then take that and we'll compare it to the second one, which had our qualify, and you'll see that the window function takes up nearly all of the expense of running this query. It's also faster and just generally more performant, so it can help save you on costs, and just make your queries run faster, get things done in a more timely manner. So make sure to always add a tiebreaker. Use qualify and top in per group. Their queries are less error prone. And if your analytics SQL is full of nested ranking subqueries, we can simplify patterns like that across your models and make them easier to maintain. Thanks for watching. See you next time.